Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to use Skrill for online shopping safely and easily. First, make sure you already have a Skrill account with funds in it. You can add money by linking your bank account, debit card, or credit card, or by receiving payments directly into your Skrill wallet. Once your account has balance, you're ready to shop online. Now, when you're on a website that accepts Skrill, go through the checkout process as usual. Add your items to the cart, proceed to checkout, and when it comes to selecting a payment method, look for the Skrill option. It usually appears alongside other payment providers like PayPal, Visa, or MasterCard. Click on Skrill, and you'll be redirected to the Skrill login page. Enter your email and password securely, and confirm the payment. The money will be instantly deducted from your Skrill wallet, or, if you don't have enough balance, Skrill may use your linked card or bank account to complete the purchase. One of the advantages of using Skrill is that you don't need to share your card details with every website, since Skrill acts as a middle layer, keeping your financial information safe. Plus, if you shop internationally, Skrill supports multiple currencies, so you can convert your balance before paying and avoid unexpected charges. Finally, once your payment is successful, you'll receive an instant confirmation both from the merchant and from Skrill by email. You can also track the payment under the Transactions section in your Skrill dashboard. And that's how you use Skrill for online shopping: fast, secure, and convenient. Subscribe the channel for more videos.